Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to reset your Honda HR-V service light. First, get into your HR-V and turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, use the left steering wheel button to navigate through the display options until you find the maintenance or service due message. This is the first step to clearing that persistent reminder. Once you see the service message, press and hold the Enter button on your steering wheel for approximately 10 seconds. The display will then prompt you with a question asking if you wish to reset the maintenance data. Carefully select Yes to confirm your choice. This action will initiate the reset process for your service light, clearing the notification. After confirming Yes, release the Enter button. The system will process the reset, which usually takes just a few moments. To verify that the service light has been successfully reset, turn your ignition completely off and then turn it back on again. The service light should now be off, confirming that the maintenance reminder has been cleared. If the service light remains on after following these steps, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire process carefully from the beginning. Sometimes it takes a second attempt to ensure all steps are performed correctly. For specific model variations or additional details, always consult your Honda HR-V owner's manual. And hey, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.